Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can deposit check in Bank of America app. So let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into the app. Once you're on the home screen, tap on Deposit Checks at the bottom. Then tap Get Started. You'll see the terms and conditions. Take a moment to review them. Once you're ready, tap Accept and then I agree to move forward. Now you're ready to deposit your check. Start by taking a clear photo of the front of the check. Make sure it's well lit and fully within the frame. Next, flip the check over. On the back, sign your name and write, "For deposit only at Bank of America." Then take a photo of the back of the check. After capturing both images, select the account you want to deposit the check into, then enter the exact amount written on the check. Tap Continue, review all the details, and if everything looks correct, tap Make Deposit. That's it. Your check is now submitted. You can read through the final confirmation message and tap Done to finish.